Hello everyone, this is Mohammad Shamir, and in this video we would be discussing how we can create a Power Apps developer environment. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to go to our browser and type powerapps.microsoft.com/enus/developer plan. So it will navigate us to the Power Apps developer plan page. So basically, with the help of Power Apps developer plan, we can create free development environments where we can build and test our Power Apps for free. We can also use the Power Automate features and the Dataverse features too. So if you guys want to know more about the Power Apps developer plan, then I have created a separate video on that topic too, where I have discussed that what's the Power Apps developer plan and what are the features that are included in the developer plan and what are the frequently asked questions like who can sign up for the Power Apps developer plan, and what's the difference between the trial environment and the developers environment, and who can delete the environment, how many environments can be created for a single user, and some other frequently asked questions have been discussed in that video. So I will be attaching the link of that video in this video, and you guys can also watch that video too. So now I can see there is a get started free button on this page. So if I do not already have a Power Apps tenant on my work or school email address, then I should be going to this button. But if I am already a user and I have a Power Apps tenant on my name, then I can just add the developer environment on that Power Apps tenant. So I do not need to create a new Power Apps tenant if I already have a Power Apps tenant on my name. So I will be going on the get started free button, and this button will be navigating us to this page. And on this page we have three steps. The first is that where it's asking for our email. The second will be the creation of our account for our new Power Apps tenant, and the third will be the confirmation details. And after this it will show us a button. When we click that button, it will take us to our newly created Power Apps tenant, and there we would be finding our new developer environments. So let's go to the first step, and here it's saying that enter your work or school email address. So we need to add our work or school email address, but it should be backed by Azure Active Directory. If it's not backed by Azure Active Directory, then it won't work. Also, if you are trying to use your personal account, then it will also not work. So let me add my work email. And let me press the next button. So it's saying that looks like you are already a Microsoft customer. So that means on my this work email I have already signed up for a Power Apps tenant. So that's why I do not need to create a new Power Apps tenant or a new account. I just want to add a new developer environment to my already created Power Apps tenant. But for some of you guys that won't be true, so you guys would be needing to create your account and the confirmation details. And as soon as you filled everything, then on pressing the button you would be moved to your newly created Power Apps tenant. So let's move to the Power Apps tenant. So this is my work Power Apps tenant, and here I will be seeing up all the environments in this tenant. And this is my environment, my developer environment, which just got created. So on the left dialog you can see that the environment type is developer, right? So this is how you can create a developer environment. Now for example, I want to create multiple developer environments, so I can create up to 3 developer environments. And now as I already have a Power Apps tenant, so I would be going to the gear button and to the admin center to create our new developer environments. So it will take us to the Power Platform admin center, and the second option in the site menu we can go, which is environments. And over here we have the new button, right? So if I press the new button, then it will open this site form, and from here we can give it a new name. to, I can select a region, and here to select the type we need to select the developer as the type. We can add the purpose. Okay, and next. Okay, so currently I have some capacity constraints, so I cannot create a new environment. But this is how, if you guys have the access, then this is how you can create a new environment. Oh, I guess I can create one. Oh, yep, sorry, it's getting prepared. And after some time your new environment will be created, and you can see the environment on your Power Apps tenant in the environments here as soon as your environment is configured. So earlier I showed you guys how you can create a Power App developer environment if you already do not have a Power Apps tenant. So you can go to the powerapps.microsoft.com/developers plan, and from there you can create a new account which will also create a new Power Apps tenant, and it will also add the developer environment into the tenant. But if you already have a tenant, then you guys can just directly go to the gear button, to the admin center, and here in the admin center you go to environments, you create the new environment like I showed in the video earlier. So this is how you guys can create the Power App developer environment. So I hope the video is helpful to you guys. So if you guys still have any confusions, you can just go in the comment section and comment, and I will reply to all your confusions. Thank you.